You ready to hit me with another question, Corey?
Yep, I've got another question for you right here. More of an inquiry, but this is somebody talking about how they're looking around for pricing on poly-bead pipe replacement in their home, and their quotes fluctuate so much, and they're wondering if you could help explain why the pricing might be so high from someone as so low for a different plumbing company. Could you explain a little more on that?
Absolutely. So I've actually went a little bit one step further on this. I've created a poly-bead contractors checklist that you can download off our website, free with my ebook that is everything you need to know about poly-bead piping and how to hire a contractor. So some people's pricing may be completely different based on the materials they're using, whether they're using a Class C, Class B, or Class A PEX, what fittings they're using. If they're using cheap brass from China fittings, we don't recommend those ones. We recommend a plastic bow or IPEX brand fitting. They're made in the United States. They're going to cost a little bit more. And then what kind of rings you're using. There's all different kind of crimping systems these days. Valves, you can use cheap brass craft valves, or you can use expensive Dahl and BMI valves. So materials is one thing. Then you're going to also pay for prep. Some companies aren't doing any prep at all. They're just coming in there, cutting all the holes in your drywall, replacing your pipe and leaving. Now, someone like us, for instance, we're going to come in there, cover all your hard surfaces with dent-proof material, wrap all your carpet flooring, we're going to wrap all your furniture, and we're going to make sure the house is completely buttoned down and protected. The other thing too is we're going to have air scrubbing devices. So a company that might be more expensive is using negative air filters to mitigate the dust and debris that's getting circulated around the site. A company that's cheaper probably doesn't have those. Those things can run anywhere from $200 to $500 a week, depending on how many filters need to be changed. So those can drastically increase the price. Then we have proper disposal. Is the guy just running down the street and throwing them in a bin somewhere? Or is he properly disposing of all the products that he uses on a site? If you're not properly prepping a site, you probably don't have a lot of disposal. You probably have a couple bags of piping and that's about it. If you are properly prepping an entire house and covering all the surfaces, all the furniture, when you leave, you're gonna have, truckloads of garbage that you've got to pull out of there and dispose of properly, whether it's in a recycling or properly in a landfill. That's one other thing. Then you're also going to be looking at how they manage the company. Is it a one-man company, or is it a bigger company that has project managers and software, and do they videotape everything? Do they take pictures of the entire job sites? These are one thing that you have to look into. That's going to cost more money, but it makes the job run way smoother and efficiently. Now, a bigger company might also have their own drywall people. So if you're getting quotes from some people and they're saying, oh, it's $5,000 for a pipe replacement, and then you get one company that's saying, oh, it's $18,000, are they including all the drywall, the painting, the texturing? This is one massive part of the job, is the drywall portion and all the cleanup after. So if you're getting massively fluctuating prices, you should see if you're comparing apples to apples. The other thing too is making sure they have proper insurance coverage. A good insurance coverage policy is quite large and heavy. I know we pay quite a fortune on our insurance policy every year, so that may be the big difference as well. So there's a lot of factors on why you're going to get a low price and a big price, but definitely download our Poly-bead contractors checklist right off our website. And I'll even put a link to it in the video right here so that you can link right to it and download it. And that will help you guys make sure you guys are comparing apples to apples and why the price might be so drastically different. Hope that helps. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos. If you did, please like and subscribe down below. And if you have any more questions, hit me up in the comment section and we'll make more videos. Thanks guys.